Next is the control drip. So I'm dripping back and very close details with the fine brush, going around, doing all the purples together. Okay, so you're on your very, very fine details with a skinny little brush, and then you could see where I have hidden a symbol, details there. So you could see all the little details you want to do when you're doing a tutu. You blend with water back and forth till it's see-through. And you can see my inspiration was, yes, Edgar Degas. Can you see anything reminiscent? Bon voyage from Cambodia! Okay, there's the bird. Finished. Okay, always sign your